In this video, you will see how to insert page break in Word on iPad. We will make the use of Layout tab to insert the page break. Just tap on the Layout tab, and now here you will see the option of breaks. This option will allow us to insert the page break. Just tap on the breaks option, and under the page break, you will see the option of page. After you tap on this option, a new page will start. So this is one option, and the another option is go to the insert tab, and here also you will see the option of page. So when you click on the page option, a page break also will be inserted. So these are the two methods. And if you want to see the page break, then you need to go to the home tab and then click on this paragraph icon. Scroll down at the bottom and see paragraph marks. So tap on this option, and now as you can see, here is the page break that we inserted. So like this, you can go through the pages and can see the page breaks. As we inserted two page breaks, so we have two page breaks. Now remember, if you want to delete this page breaks, you just have to double click on it, select the page break, and just press on delete to delete the page break. You can similarly double click on the another page breaks and then delete them if required. And to remove this formatting blue marks, you just have to go to the Pilcro option here, paragraph formatting option, and then uncheck the paragraph marks. And that's how you can insert page breaks and remove them in Word from iPad. Click on that like button, comment below, and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Word on iPad quickly. See you again in the next one.